Most SaaS companies don't struggle with software, they struggle with trust. And before someone lands on a new software website, their brain immediately asks, is this legit? Can I trust this with my data? And will this break my workflow? And those decisions happen in milliseconds, before features, before pricing, and before demos. That's brand identity. So today I'm going to show you how to build a brand identity for a SaaS business setup without complicating it step by step. First, positioning. Before you touch a logo or colors, you need clarity. You're not branding software, you're branding transformation. Instead of saying project management tool, say project visibility platform for remote teams. Specific positioning builds instant credibility. Next, personality. SaaS brands should feel stable and intelligent, not loud and trendy. The 3 safest personality traits for software brands are calm, efficient, confident. Users don't want exciting software, they want reliable software, and branding communicates reliability. Now, visual identity. SaaS brand identity is not just a logo, it's a system. Logo, color palette, typography, icons, UI design rules. Consistency matters more than creativity here. Most strong software brands use one primary color, one accent color, and neutral base color. Minimal color systems feel more trustworthy. Now, here's the part that most people miss. Your product interface is your brand identity. Your dashboard is branding, your onboarding flow is branding, your buttons and spacing are branding. If your website looks premium but your dashboard looks generic, trust drops immediately. SaaS branding is an experience, not just seen. Next, messaging. Most software companies try to sound impressive, but clarity builds more trust than clever language. So instead of saying unlock next generation workflow intelligence, say see all your projects in one dashboard. Simple messaging signals confidence. Now, trust signals, these are part of brand identity too. Customer logos, testimonials, security badges, integrations, case studies, these often matter more than the logo itself, because SaaS branding is mostly about reducing perceived risk. And finally, consistency. Your brand identity should feel same across websites, products, emails, social media, documentation. Consistency creates familiarity. Familiarity creates trust. Trust drives signups. If you remember one thing, remember this. A SaaS brand identity is not about looking good. It's about making users feel safe adopting your software. If you're building a software product and your brand identity doesn't match the level of your product yet, that's exactly what I help founders fix. And if this helped you understand branding differently, subscribe for more practical branding strategy tips.